My little bird, lost in the rain. Another storm bringing you down again. My poor little bird, I'd lift you up and take those clouds away. Oh, if I could, you know I would. I'd save you, I'd protect you, I'd make it all okay. But if you can't fly, my little bird, whatever the reason why, then I'll sit next to you and we'll watch the world go by. And I know things are so hard and you have such a heavy heart. I know you hold it all together when you wanna fall apart. I know you need a break in the storm sometimes. But just know, little bird, if you can't fly, I don't fly. Everything is so tough, things always looking grim. Nothing ever seems to go your way, you never seem to win. Every step you take is like an endless drag, and the rain had begun again, and the straps broke on your back. The bus is late, you dropped your phone, you can't find your keys as you get home. Everything is falling apart and you never know where to start. But my little bird, will figure this all out someday, 'cause in the end we know everything will be okay. If you're in hot water, just make bubbles, and I will be there through your troubles. And I know things are so hard and you have such a heavy heart. I know you hold it all together when you wanna fall apart. I know you need a break in the storm sometimes. But just know, little bird, if you can't fly, I don't fly. Take my hand, let's just fall. We'll spin right off the world. And if we go down together. We'll go down swinging. Birds of a feather, hold me close, I won't let go. If we fall, we fall. And all I know is I never wanna be without you. To me you're everything, I will take you as you are and fix your broken wings. And I know things are so hard and you have such a heavy heart. I know you hold it all together when you wanna fall apart. I know you need a break in the storm sometimes. Just know, little bird, if you can't fly, I don't fly.